This SAT question is as confusing as my life. If y plus x squared equals -2 and y is greater than 0, then what could x be? Okay, so instead of just trying to find values for x and y, we can just plug in these values. So let's try -2. So if we plug in -2 for x, we will get y plus -2 squared is equal to -2. -2 squared is -2 times -2, which is equal to 4. So we have y plus 4 equals to -2. And then to solve for y, let's subtract 4 from both sides. So we get y equals to -6. But we know that y is greater than 0, so that would mean a does not work. So now let's try -1. So after we plug in, we get y plus -1 squared equals to -2. And then -1 squared is -1 times -1, and that's equal to 1. So we have y plus 1 equals to -2, and then let's subtract 1 from both sides, and we get y equals to -3. Again, this is not greater than 0, so b does not work. And then let's try 0. So we have y plus 0 squared equals to -2. 0 squared is 0 times 0, so we have y equals to -2, and this does not work out, so C is not the answer. So then let's try 1/2. So we have y plus 1/2 squared equals to -2. 1/2 squared is equal to 1/4 plus y equals to -2, and then let's subtract. And then that gives us y equals to -2 and 1/4, which does not work out since it's not greater than 0. So that means A, B, C, and D don't work out, so that means our answer is E, since none of these work out.